Hey everyone, and welcome back to the kitchen. Today, we're diving into the world of delicious and crispy Indian snacks with a delightful twist. We're going to be making maang dal and potato pakoras, a fantastic combination of fluffy lentils and earthy potatoes, fried to golden perfection. These pakoras are incredibly tasty and surprisingly easy to make, perfect for a quick evening snack, a party appetizer, or just when you're craving something wonderfully satisfying. So, grab your ingredients, and let's start creating these irresistible treats. Did you know you can scale the recipes on our website to the number of servings you like? You can also view the video and print out the scaled recipes. You can also adjust the level of hotness you like. This unique feature will help you scale the recipes to your desired servings or hotness. This recipe will make 4 servings. Let us proceed to the recipe.
Take 1 cup of maang dal, soaked for 2 hours in a blender. Blend to a fine paste. Remove to a bowl and put aside. Take 2 medium-boiled, small diced potatoes in a dish. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of salt. We are using Himalayan salt, but that is not necessary. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Pour 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix well. Take the dal paste we made earlier. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of salt on it. Sprinkle a 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida. Sprinkle a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add a half an inch of grated ginger. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Add a finely chopped green chili. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of pomegranate seeds powder. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Add a 1/4 cup of chopped fresh coriander leaves. Mix well. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of red chili powder on it. Mix well. Take some oil for frying the pakoras and heat on medium heat. Take 1 piece of potato at a time and liberally cover with the dal paste.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Pressing the bell icon ensures you are kept up to date on all new videos.
Fry till golden brown, turning over to fry evenly. Once golden brown, remove to a kitchen towel to soak up the excess oil. Enjoy with a cup of tea and your family and friends.